Hi to all the viewers out there. So I was actually making a form for my organization, and my purpose was to list down some images within the questions and do the same for answers as well. Like I wanted to have images particularly for each answer. As you know that this is not an easy task, but Google does provide us this luxury. Let's see how. Go to a blank Google form, and as always the very first thing that you have to do is name the form. Currently, our topic is how to add images to your questions or to your answers. So I'll name the form as image question. Here it is. So see, what I would like to have is if I'll write here a simple question, that is capital of Germany. I want to have the flag of Germany just below this question, or with this question you can say. So see, there is an option right after this question. Click here, add image, and there are 6 different options or features available to add an image. You can either upload it if you have the image within your drive, your hard drive, or you can upload it by taking a snapshot from your notebook camera, or you can do it by URL. And if you have images within your albums, you can always use them, or you can do it by Google Drive if you have images available within the drive. And the last option is the most feasible one, that is you can search it directly on Google, and you can have similar results like you have on a search engine. So it's basically the similar functionality, and it's a built-in search engine within insert image. So I would like to have the flag of Germany, so I'll just write Germany and I'll click here. You can customize your search with these options. I'll use this and I'll select it. You can see that the image is now available. These are the options, and there are 3 different alignment options. With a change and a remove option, I'll use center align. The second option that I'll be using is resizing the image. Just click on the image and you can see that you will be allowed to resize the image as per your requirement. This is wonderful and looks pretty good. Now write down some options. The very first option that I'll be writing is Berlin. The second one is Nuremberg. The third option that I'll be writing here is, let's write London. So now what I would like to have is, I would like to have an image with all these options. So for example, for Berlin I would like to have an image, for Nuremberg I would like to have another image, and same goes with London. So let's see how we can do it. Click on Berlin and you'll see that the image button next to Berlin will allow you to come up with this window. You will have similar kind of 6 options, and I'll use the search engine option, that is Berlin. Click here and select any of the available image. I'll just click here for training purpose and see it's available there. The resizing of image and the size of image will be dependent on this one, so you can always change it by clicking on your image, so don't worry about that. You can do the same for Nuremberg, for London. This 6 dot sign allows you to change the sequence of your question, so you can always do that. You'll see that whenever you'll change the sequence of your question, that is you'll move Berlin, the image will move with Berlin as well. This is the very first option that Google Form has. It is a wonderful option if you are actually portraying a survey, or you're taking out some employment surveys within your organization. The second option that we have for adding image is this toolbar one. This toolbar is located on the right hand side of your form, and you can add image with the similar options. But there is a major difference which you need to keep in mind. When you were adding image within your question, you chose or you selected this add image button. This allowed your image to be available right beside or right beneath your answer or your question. But if you'll choose add image from this toolbar, it will actually allow or add an image after this question. See how. So the image will now be available after this question. So this is the major difference between both these options. So when you are using any of these options, you need to keep this factor in mind. This must be helpful for all of you. Please do provide us with your feedback and make sure you have hit the like button and the bell icon on our YouTube channel, which is Learner's DAG. Stay tuned, everyone. Thank you.